Thank you for using Delta. We have that message, guys. Look at this, click on home button and boom, all scripts are edited successfully, just like that. Press execute. What's up, guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open your official profile on your browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, super easy. Let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button, press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, user found. So the next step is to select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. I will select this. So let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest review for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites for nowadays. AppLoop is the best working method for free Delta. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and start the loading from the official publisher of the app or downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Shelltown and Modo Casino, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. If you have this message, just wait for this redirecting. Okay, I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happens, so let's see together. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the Roblox and let's see, does it actually work? So let me test on this grow garden. Okay, so let's see, guys. Okay, guys, as you can see, we have these panels. So let me show you. Thank you for using Delta. We have that message, guys. Look at this, click on home button and boom, all scripts are edited successfully, just like that. Press execute script that you want and enjoy in your game. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.